So I don't know if you've seen or not, but like Justin Bieber, Hailey Bieber, Kendall Jenner, and so many more celebrities are all getting these direct infusions. And what these infusions are not just for like energy and other things like that. It's also apparently for anti-aging. And people are going mad for it and people are trying to get it themselves. And it's something called an NAD infusion. But the issue with it is that most people can't afford it. And the reason why is because each NAD infusion is like $800-900 or pounds, depending on where you are. And if you don't know what NAD is, it's essentially a coenzyme that we naturally have in our bodies that's responsible for things like our energy, metabolism, the aging of our cells, our DNA repair, even our cognitive function. It's got a lot of purposes and it's pretty important to the human body anyway. But obviously they're bringing more publicity to it, so more people want to get involved and try it for themselves. And if you do want to give it a go yourself, there are other ways that you can get NAD into your system without it being a direct infusion. And that can be done via a precursor. And there's a few different precursors that you can take. There's one called NR, which is nicotinamide riboside. And then there's another one called NMN, which is nicotinamide mononucleotide. So a proper tongue twister there. But essentially a precursor is something that you can take in order for your body to produce more of something else. So in this case, NAD. And I've personally been taking NMN for the last almost 60 days now. And I can tell you that my energy has drastically increased. And it's like a consistent energy. It's not just a pump and dump. It's a real consistent energy throughout the day. But if you're wanting to try NAD supplementation, then this is the one that I would recommend. So this is a company called Viva NMN. They're a UK-based company. And they batch test and scientifically prove the purity of every capsule. So you haven't got to worry about fillers or binders or any other rubbish being included in your supplements. And I don't know if you can see there, but the only ingredient itself is nicotinamide mononucleotide, apart from the capsule. But yeah, guys, if you want to give this a try, you can get it on the TikTok shop just down here. And if you're still not sure, down here, if you click on the product, you can see all of the reviews from other people that are taking it as well.